So this is the table of content for today. It's split in 4 main chapters and a kind of conclusion chapter. So first, I'm going to cover the pre-requirements. So what do we need to get the most out of this day? Then we will see the simple application that we will use during the whole day. It's a nice little demo app built with a microservice architecture. We will deploy that app on a single node. We will see that the app has a performance bottleneck, and we will use that performance bottleneck as an excuse to deploy the app on a cluster. Of course, we will pick Kubernetes as the cluster solution, so I will explain the overall concepts behind Kubernetes. We will see the difference between the declarative and imperative models. Then I will explain how network works in Kubernetes, and we will start interacting with Kubernetes using the kubectl command line tool. We will talk about how to set up Kubernetes. We will not set up Kubernetes. We will use preset Kubernetes clusters because the art of setting up Kubernetes could be a whole one-day workshop just on its own. And even then, we wouldn't cover everything we would need to know. Then we will see how to run containers on Kubernetes. We will see how to expose containers so that they can communicate with each other. We will see how to ship images. Then we will run the demo app on the Kubernetes cluster. Then we will explore the Kubernetes dashboard. This will give us a little break from the command line, and we will see a nice web interface for Kubernetes. I will talk a little bit about security. Then we will see how to scale our application. We will see a couple of different ways to scale applications with Kubernetes. One using deployments and replica sets, the other one using daemon sets. We will talk about labels and selectors, which are some of the really powerful concepts in Kubernetes. Then in the final chapter, we will see how to perform rolling updates, how to manage logs, either like from the CLI or how to centralize logs in a given point. And then we will see how to collect metrics with Prometheus. And then I have a small conclusion chapter where I will kind of explain, okay, from where do we go from there? What do we need to learn? What are the next steps so we can deploy applications on Kubernetes?